What's going on, guys? Harsh here, back with the video, and today I'm unboxing the BBURAGO 1 to 43 scale Mercedes W12 Formula 1 car. And this particular car they ran in the year 2019, so it is silver in color. That's why the name Silver Arrows was given to them. And the box is pretty nice, and with the official Petronas logo to indicate that this is a original product. So as you can see, the holographic sticker, it is always nice to see on these types of models. So let's unbox it. You can do that from either sides. So here it is held down, I think, by just this tab over here. So you just take it out. It is a press fit, so that way the model is now loose. We can take a closer look at it. And for those of you wondering, this is what the tab looks like. Now I don't want to go into the history of the car itself because it is all available on the internet, and as I've said before, what's not available on the internet is the quality of this car. So as you can see, it is the Lewis Hamilton's car. So the number 44 is written on this side and on this side as well, on the front and on the back. And it is a full diecast model, but some parts are plastic, just like this side pods over here. These are all plastic parts on the side. As you can see, the main body itself is made out of metal, and the back spoiler is actually plastic. So as you can see, it wobbles quite a bit, and the front wing is also made out of plastic. So you can just see how much it wiggles, or I should say it's made out of rubber because it is very flexible. So I think it's pretty good for kids to play with. You know, you cannot give them mini champs and expect them to keep it with their utmost care. So I think this is a good alternative for that. The wheels are pretty accurate, I should say. These are the medium compound tire, and you will find this very consistent with the BBURAGO models. They always put medium tires on. I think that these are the only one that they are allowed to put on. So let's take a closer look at the model. So pretty nice printing. We have all the logos clearly visible on the nose cone and also on the front wing as well, as you can see on both the sides. The paint job is absolutely spot on. There is no bleeding that I can see, but if I really try to find out, I think I will find one or two, and that's about it. And as you have already guessed, this is a rolling model, so the wheels do move. So you can, as I said before, play it with the kids or gift them if they are a huge Formula fan like me. And at the side we have the EQ Power Plus logo, and the Petronas logo is always everywhere, as you can see on the spoilers and then on the side pod as well. The mirrors are painted nicely, and these are, I think, made out of rubber, but it is a pretty solid rubber, so they should not break pretty easily. And the halo up front is also made of some hard plastic material, and it just sits on top of the car. And if you want to, you can just take it out like this, but I will not do that. And here is the main intake of the car, and as you can see, it is a bit slight tilted towards the right, but I think it should fix like this. I don't know. So as we move backwards, the paint scheme slightly changes from silver to all black, which is their 2020 and 2021 model. I think I also have that, so I will be reviewing that as well in the number 77. As you can see that the pattern over here is pretty well detailed. There is no paint bleeding issues and nothing noticeable we can see over here. And the only noticeable difference is this huge gap in the side panels, but the gap already exists in the real model, I think. Not in this particular way, but in some way it should, or it may exist. But over here you can see that there are grooves cut out to imitate that, but compared to this looks a lot accurate, and that's because these two are separate pieces. Then at the back we have our all black exhaust pipe with the red LED thing sticking out of it. So as you can see, this is the indicator light that they use to indicate that a car is battery charging, or in the rain they use it to indicate that the car is up front. And we have the T-wing over here. I think it's called the T-wing. But all in all, a pretty nice detailed model. The overall look is pretty nice, and it's pretty sturdy. So these types of model you can give to a kid and expect not to break, but in the case of mini champs and sparks model, it is not the case like that. So it is a good gift to give to kids, but if you are a collector and you want absolutely spot on deals, and then I would suggest you go to mini champs or sparks, and obviously they will be a bit more expensive. This is a lot cheaper, like 1/4 of the price, but still you get a good detail model. So thanks for watching this guide. Please like, subscribe and share, and I will see you all in the next video.